Been wanting to put a light in the backyard, but running a light or electric lines all the way out to a pole has just been out of the question financially. So this solar light is the way to go. This is the box that it ships in. Let's open it up and take a look at it. As we open it up, we can see that there's some styrofoam holding it in, but not a lot of extra packaging. Now, I did hear something rattling around. I thought maybe something was broken, but it was really just this hardware inside the shroud that holds it to the pipe that it's going to be mounted on. We've got the remote control, of course, and then we've got the light itself. I'll pull it out of here. There we go. See the information here, the interface with the mount, the solar panels on the back, and then all the LED lights. We've got a green light there, some sort of a button. Alright, taking a look at it, we've got the remote control. Thinking this is the power button. Turn it on. We can adjust the temperature of the lights. We can adjust the brightness. And then, of course, there's a timer. Very nice light, very well made. You've got a kind of an interface with lights here, so you can see what state the light is in. Nice set of panels on the back with a built-in level. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.